This is what I'm using. My Medela. I think this is like on the go pump. And then just so you guys can see, I use Medela. This is what's been working for me. So I have this, 4 parts. And then make sure for this little flap, if you don't have this flap, you won't be able to pump. You're gonna be like, what? Nothing's coming out. Yeah, that flap is apparently very important, and that suction is well needed. And yeah, this is all you need. Make sure you wash your hands. I wash my hands all the time when I'm pumping, like throughout every step. And I really wish someone would have told me how to store your milk properly, because when I first was pumping, I had oversupply, so I was just pouring everything into it, and you're literally only supposed to pour 6 ounces and then lay the bag flat, and I will show you. At first I was using Medela storage bags, but I was gifted so much Lancino, so I started using that. But I really wish I would have taken those back and used Medela, because those were so much better. They were just thicker and I liked them better. But I literally had like hundreds and hundreds of bags, and I did not feel like going back to the store, so I just ended up using Lancino, like the ones that I was gifted. But I highly suggest Medela, because that was the best for me. So I'm gonna pump for about 15 minutes. My Huckleberry app, and I'm just gonna press start once I get these bad boys in here. And I don't use like a pumping bra, I just use my normal bra. And me personally, I turn my pump up all the way, and I have it on the fast setting. So yeah, I'll be back in 15. Well, apparently I don't know, I guess I didn't hit my timer. So I actually was pumping a little bit longer than this, but it says I was only pumping for 8 minutes. And then this app is really cool because you can put in what you pumped for your left and right. I'll just watch it really quick. And I'm probably gonna pump again in like 15 minutes because I didn't fully empty. But I need to go get a bigger bottle. So this is what I pumped on my left, my right. Clearly this is my baby's favorite. I don't know. So now I'm just gonna store this with you guys, and you guys are gonna see, because I did not know how to store it first, but we're gonna figure it out.